Hey guys, the following is video that I tried to save. It took me 2 days to recompose, to pull it up from scrap file. The camera's overheated at the cinema show down in Hillsboro. I had a lot of problems, lost a lot of video, and the video that I've been able to get back, like I said, took me 2 hours to just sit down, recompose it, pick it through, run it through cleaners, trying to get it so it's even viewable. The issue is now that I have the video saved, what's left and what I can save and what is usable to some respect will not work in any of my editing programs. So the files were corrupt enough to where, yeah, I'm able to get them back so I can view them, but every time I try and run them in an editing program, it comes up corrupt files and it won't let me do any editing. So this is going to be raw video and sound of the event, what you hadn't seen so far and what I was able to save. In some respect, and at a perspective, you'll be able to see what the stuff looks like before I clean it up, blend it, fade it, overlay it, frame it, add music, take out different bits and pieces. Basically the normal stuff of editing that takes me my usually 20 hours per video to get from start to finish. So anyway, without further ado or any other crappy explanations, I'm just trying to keep you all informed and let you know what's going on. This is what I was able to save. Remember, it'll be raw video and sound. It will not be polished by no means. It is what it is. It's all I could do. Thank you so much. That being said, let's take a look. Let's get some pics of some cars. Smile and wave.
Yeah. Yeah. And first Wednesday, that's what we qualify. Or second Wednesday of the month, it'll be.
Mike, what do you remember one? Oh,
It'll be 30 or 40. It's all there. It's all there. They did not hack the gut out like they normally do. Make a difference. You know how it's pretty. It is pretty cool.
It's a sweet deal. He's going to put up too much of that truck.
At first, they tried to put the city to turn them off. Late at night. The city wouldn't do it. Finally, after we turned it down a time or two, they turned the juice off at night. Got room?
Oh yeah.
$2,500. Hi guys. Oh, your brother-in-law's here. Jay's here.
Yeah, I told it, yeah.
I gotta ask you a question. One, you're not related to Fred, are you?
Fred.
Yep. He knows everything. You know him, right? Yeah, did you say you
Yeah, no, with everything going on, we haven't really.
Okay, well that's fine. No, that's fine. Hand painted old school.
Where you been?
You know, ran out of gas and stopped working.
No.
Located inside the cinemas. If you need to go in there.
Bluetooth mode. Line in.
Also, there's movies and concessions, lots of popcorn inside. Our raffles here, 50-50, cornhole tournament, hot.
Right there. Right there. There's a puppy. There's a puppy. Yes. He's a puppy. What's he? Hi, how you doing? Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't get you. There you go. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. So cute.
She's like, I'm ready.
She's ready. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't want you to be too hot, but you gotta be styling a Gopher Rider bandana.
There you go. Well, I got it on right. I know, like.
Oh my goodness.
Lace. Come here.
Oh, you're styling now. Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
There you go, Lace.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yes.
She's like, what touched my butt?
Oh. You're so hard to get on film. You're so hard. You're a wiggly dog. A wiggly dog. Yes, a wiggly dog. Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, we are done out here at the cinema tonight. We are going to get ready and head on back up. We're going to try and catch the one in Kettering, but we'll see what we can do. Anybody that wants any gear or make a donation to the Go for Gas funds, I greatly appreciate it. BT57GoForRider@gmail.com. We're on the road to the next one. Keep your fingers crossed I hold up. See ya.
Damn, that was annoying.
He killed what he ate and brewed what he drank. Listened to Cole, Jerry, Reed, and Hank. A bear of a man hardly left the woods. A 6'4" solid rock when he stood. He'd hunt with a hatchet in his own bare hands. Refused welfare, only lived off the land. Drove an 87 Dodge, straight pipes out the back. Stocked his house with whitetail rats. He's a rebel, a redneck. Grew up in the sticks. A standard American son bitch. His shirt says Val, but his real name's Fred. Got grease on his hands and sweat on his head. Pants all black and arms all scarred. Knuckles more busted than his credit card. Spends weekdays working under the hood. He's got mouths to feed and he knows he should. Come Friday at 5, he'll collect that pay. Pop a top on a cold one at the end of the day. He's blue collar, a sinner. He can't decide which. A standard American son bitch. You can call me